Fuck is going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. You already know, drop sauce if you have balls. Today's video is going to be a class. Basically, you're going to have to take notes. Yes, you're going to have to take notes because you're going to forget. I know you have a brain rot head. You've been scrolling all day. You forgot a lot of stuff. So I'm coming here to fix it. It's hard to watch this video till the end because I don't edit shit. I just get and show you guys the sauce and show you guys the way to do it, and you do it if you want to. I'm not here for the crazy editing dopamine shit and fucking you guys' brains up. All right, welcome to Alex TikTok class. Take some notes and buckle up your seats and get your favorite snack so you can actually, you know what I'm saying, follow up with the video. My exact formula, step by step. You don't need a product in hand at all whatsoever, right? We use free AI marketing. I've been said this so many times. It's basically for free, you know what I mean? You're not gonna go pay a person to freaking start shooting videos for you and stuff like that. It's not 2023 2024 anymore. We're actually having crazy AI softwares almost every single month now. Like, there's so much AI stuff that like I can't even handle. So it's getting better. Even by next year, it's going to even be so much better. So if you start right now, you're ahead of so much people. Enough from the let's get straight to the thing though. How to get people to buy from you, okay? Whether you're doing AI TikTok shop, whether you're just doing normal TikTok shop. Offer value with the product, all right? So you're going to have to offer value or a solution or something to actually, you know what I mean, give the person that's buying it benefit. Like, oh, I'm buying this for, you know, I'm buying this water bottle because I'm drinking it type shit, because I need water in my system. You know what I mean? So offer value, offer solution, things like that. Explain what it does and why they should need it, you know, for them to have an impact or change on them. Also, right here is a perfect extra details. It's like a cherry on top for a perfect product. Your main target is also scarcity. When you're coming to promote a product on TikTok shop, it usually says how much are in stock, right? So like something like this, as you can see, like stock, only 50 in stock. That's crazy, you know what I mean? That's literally low. So it's like causes scarcity, especially if the product is perfect. If the product is so good and it has an impact on me, or it can actually benefit my health or something like that, it has a crazy impact, right? In the scarcity, if the product is there, like the stocks are low on it, you're going to get so much converts. You're going to get so much sales out of it. And I'm not even lying. I'm not even joking, bro. I had so much people that worked with me, done this every single time, and actually convert. This works 100%. So limited flash sale. For an example, if a product was for $100, now it's only for $60, which is like 40% off. This is also a perfect cherry on top. You can also add that as marketing at the end of your video. So when you're coming to talk about the product and introducing the product to your audience in the video, you can also say it was $100 before, now it's $65 on sale. And that's going to cause also like more, you know, product clicks, and people are actually going to look at the product and actually can buy from it because now it's on sale, right? And it can, you know, people are always willing to spend money on things that have benefit on them, especially if it's on sale right now. And you know, they don't want to pay $100 or they want to pay the actual price. People always like that. When they don't want to pay the real price, they want to get a little discount. It's always like that. And if you have all these three together, if you have the big three, I call them the big three. So if you have the big three together, which is a good product, offer value, offer solutions to people, and actually help them. And if they buy this, they can have a crazy impact or something that's actually, you know, satisfying the audience. And having the scarcity, which is the stocks will be low. You don't have to look for that, but if you find a product that's like that, I'm telling you, converts. And after that, you can also have a flash sale, just a little cherry on top. The big three right here will get you so much converts. Even if you get 100,000 views, that 100,000 views can turn into 300 sales or 500 sales. So I'm saying right now, if you can find a product with the big three, then you're chilling. I think I already said this, but look for products that have low stocks, right? But what I look forward on the products is the earnings. When it comes to the earnings is, we want to make money, right? And we want to make good money. We don't want to have a video that blows up and all of our hard work just made us like freaking $500. Nobody wants that. You know what I mean? So we need a product that actually has more commission rate. I look for products that are $5 and up. All right, no beneath. I've seen so much creators like literally promote products that are like $2 a commission. Okay, you went viral, right? Let's say, okay, cool, you went viral, you got 1 million views. 1,000 people bought. You made $2,000 out of 1 million views. Come on, man. We want to make more money. You know what I mean? We want to make literally at least $4,000 or $3,000 off 1 million views, at least. And I'm not being selfish, but that's the reality of so much people are making more money with 1 million views off TikTok Shop than the shitty ass $2 commission. You know, nobody wants that. $5 and up. Just look for that. Just put that in your brain. $5 and up. So if it's under $5 and the product looks so good, oh my god, no, don't go for it. If that video goes viral, you're cooked. You're only gonna make like 1,500 or 2,000. You know what I mean? So get a product that has $5 and more commission out the way. Don't argue with me. That's how it works. If you want to make crazy money, that's how it works. Since you guys already know I'm in the women's beauty niche for AI TikTok, this product will be perfect for me to promote. All right, this is just an example. It doesn't matter what niche you are in. You don't have to do women's beauty. Like, it worked for me because I structured my things and I followed the guide and I literally just knew how to do it. But if you're gonna go jump on women's beauty thinking, oh, it's gonna work, whatever, you could do it, but you have to follow a guide every single day. Like, you have to be showing up every day at the right time, putting in the good scripts, and I will show you guys how to do the scripts and everything. Like, you can't just say, oh, it worked for him, it can work for me. No, find something that can work for you, right? Make it good and actually get in your, like, find your audience. Like, target your audience every single day, and you will get the audience. And once you get the audience, you make good TikTok shop videos, and once you make TikTok shop videos, you get sales. It's like a roller coaster. You know what I mean? But right here, it's 63% off for a product. It's a whole kit, right? It was almost $50. Now it's on sale for $89. All right, and I earn a commission of $13. $13. That's good. You know what I'm saying? So this product could be, you know, an example of how a perfect product to promote should be. All right, it's like they're getting so much for just little. I mean, $80 is a lot, but still, like, for this much, stores will literally charge you like literally $300 at least. So you can get on right now, TikTok shop for $89. Boom. You know what I mean? Stores will charge you a lot. Like, things like that you can add up on, you know, if you're promoting expensive product, you can add up on that. Like, stores will charge you this, but TikTok shop will charge you that. Like, it's just an extra cherry on the top, like I said. You know what I mean? I know I'm talking so fast, but that's on me because I'm trying to get the value out there fast because you guys have brain rot heads and can't watch the video till the end. So I'm just trying to make sure I get the value out fast. So if you're, you know, can't handle the way I'm talking, put the video in slow-mo. I'm sorry, but some people just can't watch the video to the end, so I have to talk. How to make your scripts. I've gotten this request. A lot of my Discord people are asking me, how do you make a perfect script? Alex, I need a perfect script right now. ChatGPT is kind of fucking up. All right, cool. Chill out. We're gonna get you the bullet points. I can't show you how to do the write down everything because the video will take 3 hours and I will literally get like 3 views, but I'm gonna show you the bullet points to target in every script that ChatGPT or Cloud AI makes you. Okay, I use Cloud. If you want to use ChatGPT, perfect. If you have ChatGPT Pro, perfect. Let's get straight into it. I call this line right here the winning line script. All right. So first right here for this letter H is a perfect hook. Okay. I will show you guys an example. Okay. So perfect hook. What a perfect hook means is this one.
You ever ask yourself, why am I hungry all the fucking time? You just finished a meal, full, done. Then 15 minutes later, you're...
As you guys can see, the hook was literally perfect on this video. And he started off by cursing. He started off by rage baiting. He started off by literally the whole entire problem in 1 second. So, like, you can take a look and learn from this one. Right?
You ever ask yourself, why am I hungry all the fucking time? You just finished a meal, full, done. Then...
Oh yeah, this hook is perfect because he started off with a question, causing curiosity. Like, people are like, what he means. Have you ever asked yourself, you know what I'm saying? It's like a question and people want to know the answer right away, but the answer is going to be till the end of the video, which will be the product. They don't know that. All right. It's like you're like formusing them to watch till the end and actually buy at the end. All right. So have you ever wondered why the fuck I'm always hungry or craving at night or something like that? All right. And that's like literally a question with a good hook, right? Rage baiting, which is cursing, and also the problem. It's like all three together in one package with one hook. That's good, and the visuals also is good, so it's on point. Everything is on point. That's what I need you guys to do. All right, just learn from this line that I'm showing you guys, and you guys will make a perfect script. So the hook right here is going to be the most important thing of your video at the beginning. Okay, to actually get the engagement going, because if you have a shitty hook, your video will just literally get dead views. It doesn't matter. All right, TikTok will literally see it based off watch hours. So if someone just clicks off at the middle, you're good. At least they watched. But if someone just keeps swiping, your account will be cooked. So you have to have a perfect hook every single time. Your account will literally die if you don't have a good hook, all right? Right now, what I like to call the second bullet point is problem. You basically dive after you give the hook, the perfect hook, you dive into their problem. You like relate to them. Like, oh, I'm craving always at night and I can't stop. Or something. Like things like that. Like, look, let me show you guys this video.
15 minutes later, you're back in the kitchen.
So this is the problem right here that he's giving.
Done.
Okay?
Then 15 minutes later, you're
after the hook.
Full. Done. Then 15 minutes later, you're back in the kitchen.
You catch her in the kitchen because she's craving food, and that's, you know, reflecting to them. People are gonna be like, oh, that's me right there. I always do this. You know what I'm saying? So this can actually have a good dive in. Like he dived in perfectly from the hook to the problem, relating to the audience.
Not because you need it, it just feels like something is pulling you there. That's not a willpower problem, that's a...
As you can see right here, what he did is, from the hook, right, he dived into the problem, right, like explaining their problem as relating to them. Then he's explaining why that happens. What's the science behind this? Why do I feel like this? It's like giving you evidence why you're doing this. But he gives you the science behind it. He dives into some bullshit to actually get you famoused and like tapped in with what's going on. And that leads us to our third bullet point, which is where this happened. Like, how did this get to me? Like, okay, how do I start craving almost every single night and I can't stop? Why does this happen? It's like, why? This is like he's basically giving you evidence why it's happening to you. All right, let's continue watching this.
Signal problem. Hear me out. Your body's digestion system runs on cues and satiety signals. When those signals misfire, the "I'm full" message f***s off. So the cravings show up again. Snacks sound good, and the frustration is back because the hunger doesn't go away. That's exactly this cutting.
Then, after he's done explaining why that happens to you, when he dived into deep science and everything explaining, he offered a solution, okay? When he explained why that happens, he also sneaked in a little solution, okay? Like a little solution. Like, how can you fix this? After you finish telling them why that happened to them, you just go ahead and also add another question, the solution. How can you, help fix this? Or how can you help bypass this? Or something like that, like a solution. And that same, after the solution ends, it's like literally like 3 seconds or 4 seconds, the product comes in. As you can see right here, this is the fifth one. It's going to be the last one, the product. And also to let you guys know, I hate people that just like literally from the beginning of the video, they just promote the product. People will just scroll, okay? The people that watch till the end of the video are the people that are most interested in the product. Because when you promote the product, someone that doesn't like it will just automatically scroll. But when you explain it like this, and someone sticks to the end, you will get more converts than just automatically just promoting the product from the start. If you understand what I'm saying, especially if you have the right audience for this product, okay? And they stick to the end, that means they're interested in the video, which that means they will be interested in the product. It's a win-win. Even if they're interested in the video, your account will get more pushed out to the FYP, and your account will have better, healthy, stands in TikTok. So it's a win-win. So if you follow this line perfectly and write down your scripts just like this, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna get a hit at least in 2 weeks maximum. If you don't get a viral video, I'll jump out the window right now. Pause. But let's just watch the video one more time just to get you clicked in on how to actually do this line. Okay, let's watch it one more time. I know you have a brain rot brain, but I'll speed run it.
You ever ask yourself, why am I hungry all the fucking time? You just finished a meal, full, done. Then 15 minutes later, you're back in the kitchen. Not because you need it, it just feels like something is pulling you there. That's not a willpower problem, that's a signal problem. Hear me out. Your body's digestion system runs on cues and satiety signals. When those signals misfire, the "I'm full" message f***s off. So the cravings show up again. Snacks sound good, and the frustration is back because the hunger doesn't go away. That's exactly this cutting mix was built for. It targets the cravings via mood and digestive signals. And it's herbal-based, so there's no side effects. It's actually really good for activated gut-brain signals, so you have less cravings and more control. So if you want to check it out, I put the link here, but do it quick.
That's how you follow the line perfectly. That's how you do it. Like, there's no way around this. Hook, problem, why it happens, solution, then product. If someone else is telling you to do some other line, say, no, I got the Alex Fines line. I'm good. I'll be set for my journey. And I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. I got you guys more sauce. Let's get to the next segment. AI models that are dominating TikTok shop. Oh, you did not, Alex. You did not just put us on. Well, I did. Not like the other gurus. They will just tell you, oh, join my little shit. No, you don't got to join nothing. This is straight free sauce, free YouTube. All right? You got man product, hair conditioning. People always like doing conditioning hair before they go to school. So you can make an animation saying, have you ever... Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a whole hair. I'm going to give you guys a hit right now. Okay? Just bear with me. Have you ever went to school and made your hair? Then when you got to school, your hair became trash? It's like, you see that hook? Like, I asked the question, have you ever, okay, like, oh, have this ever happened to you? Then after that, you relate to the problem, which is showing the animation stuff and diving into the problem. Then you explain why it happens. Say, oh, the things, after the shower, so like science behind it. Then you offer solution, then the product. School hair. You do your hair before school. Then when you get to school, your hair becomes trash. See? A lot of people that will buy it. Trust me, if you do this, okay, let's use this. Whoever's watching the video, I don't know who's dedicated more to this. Use this guy right here. Like a guy replica of him. You can find one on Pinterest. You can do your own. Mimic with Gemini. Use this. Make it how, like find a product on base. Use base. Base is on TikTok shop and it's been popping right now recently and it's been giving good commission for people. So use base. Explain, why your hair becomes trash in school and how you can avoid it. Or you can say, oh, have you ever spent time making your hair? Then when you went to school, your hair become more trash and more messy and more like messed up. After you say that, just explain to them why it happens. And after you explain why it happens, hit them with the solution. Boom, product after that. You're gonna get sales. Let's get to the next one. I like to call this AI right here The Uncle Advice AI. Oh my god, this is perfect. I've seen this so many times. It's like old people coming in looking healthy and like saying, oh, how they made it to this age, how I made it to age 80, man, my sugar was kind of messed up, and I feel like he's basically reflecting, relating to the audience. It's like more relating. It's like, you don't gotta just use this product to help me get to 80. Relate to the audience. Tell them how you got there, how, what's, everything. Explain everything. It's like a whole content. At the end, you hit him with the product. Health is perfect. It's never gonna die, ever. Always health things. People are always buying on TikTok Shop, especially it will get you more sales. Even if the products are like expensive a little bit, old people would buy it because it's old people things, and your videos will get pushed out to the same audience that bought. So if someone right now buys from the uncle, right, the same type of people age will get sent your videos on TikTok For You page. So let's say I'm 35, I just bought this product, okay? 35 plus, they will see your videos now from FYP, especially if you're making health, which is perfect for this niche. Second thing, which is I'm into right here, women products, okay? Women products has been booming. It's never gonna die. Women's always trying to do makeup, weddings, etc. Stuff like skincares and all that stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna show you guys my AI because I don't want my account to get leaked and I'm not gonna make any money, but I will show you guys an example of my competitor. My competitor been going crazy. He's been not like stopping. So he's been using this right here, as you can see, for a woman's product, and he's been cooking up. But I don't do the things that he's doing. He's kind of crazy. He's just getting the hook and attention. But this is also my big 3 for AI models. If you're trying to get into this, pick one out and go crazy. But there's more into it. There's, of course, more AI models out there that I didn't, discuss in this video. But the video is going to be even longer. But if you made it to the end of this video, join my free Discord. The link will be in the description. I offer you guys free value. I literally chat to you in general, bro. I will respond to you in general, explaining your problem and why you're going through that if you text me in general. We also have free calls every Sunday where I just sit in the call and chat and see what people are going through with TikTok Shop AI or TikTok Creator Rewards. Other than that, subscribe, drop a like, it's for free. Comment down below if you fuck with the video. If you don't, just say this shit's ass, and I would never ever make a video like this ever again. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.